In this module, we're going to talk about the Technology Integration Matrix, or TIM. And what the Technology Integration Matrix does is allows us to use some guardrails as we start developing lessons for next year when every student in the classroom has a device. So for the pre-K through third grade students, that's going to be an iPad. For our fourth grade and above students, that's going to be a Chromebook. And we want to make sure that we're using those devices in a way that complements the instruction that's going on in the classroom. We want to make sure that we're using these devices and getting what we can get out of them to help our students learn, and not treating these devices like a $300 worksheet. And so the TIM provides those guardrails that we can use as we develop and design our lessons. The TIM is broken down into several different categories, and across the top you have the different categories of technology that you want to use as part of your lesson. So it goes all the way from entry, which is just handing out a Chromebook and very specifically directing the students in how they're going to use that Chromebook or iPad, all the way up to transformation. And on the transformation side, you basically are allowing the students to choose the tool that they feel best will allow them to show you what you've learned. Catch all that? On the other side, on our columns then, or on our rows, we have the type of learning environment that you want the classroom to be in, all the way from active down to goal-directed. And they do exactly what it sounds like. And there's several different stops in between. So there's collaborative, there's constructive, authentic learning, and then goal-directed at the bottom. So what you would do is choose the type of learning environment you want to have in your classroom, and then you would choose the type of technology integration you want to include with that lesson. And then you would click into one of these boxes to get some ideas on how to do that. So let's say that I want to do a constructive learning environment, and I want to do adoption, which is going to be second column. So I'm going to go with the second column, and I'm going to go down here to the constructive, and I'm going to click into the box. This will then open up a new web page, and on that web page there will sort of be some descriptors of, there will be some descriptors about what the students can expect, they can expect, what the teacher can expect, and what the setting looks like. And then below that are video examples of how these lessons might look, and different tools that other teachers have used as part of creating a lesson that falls into a constructive adoption category. Probably most of the lessons that we've done to this point in time have been in what would be called active entry. So very basic lessons. Here's the specific tool the students use, and the TIM is designed to help grow our use of technology in a way that really complements the learning, that makes it authentic, that makes it engaging, and that can help your students really shine and show you what they've done. So that's where this whole module is headed, and we hope that you take the opportunity to really dive in to these cool things that we've got set up for you.